ya siasa ba UDA barentere cia Mombasa nibethirite bagitithia na mbere siasa ningi bakiringira debe urutingo gina mirandi ya thirikari ya UDA akeni mwandiki munene wa kiama ke UDA Hassan Omar Sarai na ithukirite na kwaria miario ya kumaria rutere rwa Mount Kenya ni miario icoketwe ni Rahab Mukami uri women rep wa county ya Nyeri akimuria Sarai tuheshimiane atikarute miario ya kumaria antubarubari rwa Mount Kenya.
Nataka kuongeresha SG wa chama yetu ya UDA, lazima aheshimu Wakikuyu. Ni vibaya sana, munanisikiza? SG anatakikana ajue amekalia hiyo kiti ya SG wa chama ya UDA kwa sababu Wakikuyu walishagua serikali. Ni kweli ama ni uongo? Tuliamuka mapema tukashagua hii serikali. Na ile kitu wanajaribu hata kutusukuma nje tutoke ndani ya serikali, hatutatoka, tunakaa ndani ya serikali. Nataka kusema hivi, siasa ya ukabila imepitwa na wakati. Na ndio sababu nimesema hapa Nakuru, hapa Bahati, kuna Wajaruo, kuna Wakikuyu, kuna Waturukana na mnaishi pamoja kama madugu na madada. Si ni kweli? Hebu tuambie SG wa UDA, mimi nilikuwa naongoza chama ya UDA Nyeri na leo niko ndani ya UDA. Akiendelea kuongea hivyo tutaenda kumtoa kwa hiyo kiti, aende akienda. Washeni niwaambie, huyo SG, kuna mama anaitwa Veronica Maina mwenye ameketi pale. Mnaona Veronica? Veronica ndiye alikuwa secretary wa chama ya UDA. Yeye amepatiwa nafasi mbili. Yeye ni secretary general wa chama ya UDA na yeye ako East African Community. Ndio anatuletea hiyo maringo yake. Asituletee, tutakaa ndani ya serikali, apende asipende. Nakuru
akiaria kiri mambura ya gukungwira Njira Muthomi uri mutaalamu wa kithomo ningi ari secretary general wa kiama kia KUPPET. Munini wa rais Professor Kithure Kindiki na tarite mibango ya thirikari ya gukiria kithomo ningi kiri mambura ja bareo arimu ataalamu ba kithomo ningi atongere bagi siasa nibetite na mbere gutariria bata ya gukirwa gwa kithomo ningi mitaratara kuringwa murashi kenda kwagirithia kithomo nthiguruni ya Kenya. Murigo murito yo
Since taking office, the BEC has visited several schools. You have seen us in junior and senior school, and during this, we have consistently asked the principals and heads of institution. And Mr. Karani is there. Kesha, share please, wave. Thank you. We are seriously engaging with them so that the well-being of teachers can be taken as. We have told them, just as teachers are expected to show empathy to learners facing challenges in school, school administrators must also appreciate that teachers are human beings facing real hand-to-hand struggles. Your Excellency, these teachers of Meru told me to network and have connections. One of the things this branch seriously needs, Your Excellency, is a KUPPET 62-seater Scania.
We have heard that you will require reforms to make sure that we have some kind of autonomy for that cadre of teachers who are teaching in our JSS. And we are going to discuss with the stakeholders, and I think the government is already seized of that matter. Even before it goes to Parliament, we will see what we can do even before the matter goes to Parliament so that we instruct our teams in Parliament to convert the desire of the government and the desire of the JSS teachers into policy and law.
Mr. Njira, what you've done has never been done. I must admit that. This is wonderful. Finally, Your Excellency, I want to thank you most sincerely And I thank the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for having confidence in me and having confidence in teachers of this country, that a teacher can serve as an ambassador, and not only an ambassador, but an ambassador in the Vatican See. Thank you so much.
Ganana ya kithomo tutegere mantu yaigi ugima amu ugima buri utonga nare akari kumantere sha Kanyakine bashumiritie kumeneria urugamiri bwa sibitari ya Kanyakine bakiuga ni mpangaratano nderi wagi bwa mautungata ya bata kiri akari nare baithirite bagikinyiria kwithira gukithitho mogaruku ja urugamiri bombodi ya sibitari ya Kanyakine bagitangaza musimamo jwa gushumiria kiri maandamano indi nyuma ya ngabana mutumanto ethingia guthikira kiriro kia ninge kuthithia mogaruku ya bata mutongeria wa kiama kia vuguvugu na mbiriritie amu kuria akari bagashumire kire maandamano nonto nandi matheta yao ni yathikite kwithira ya kithikirika ninge mogaruku ja kithithwa kire urungamiri bwa sibitari ne ripoti dhuraniri na igitarirwo ni Jeff Wagituma.
Nawe George Kinyua mutongerio kuromba giti kia MCA ntere cia Bogeta ya Bogaiti noritia kariba sub county ya Bogeta gutiria maandamano baithirite bakibangania kwa Kagita Nandi nyuma ya thirikari ya county ya Meru kuga ni thikiritie maendekithia jao na bethira bakieberia daktari munene sibitari ya Kanyakine na kinya bethira bakithangarania mbondi ya sibitari iu
Bere Nandi iba calm down kuti maandamano kairi kuti gintu gikwenderea nara kairi kuti antu bakeja kwandamana nuntu mantu jara jongo barariraira ijarojorere na changes sisirakarikire mbondi ningi munene nungi so muthenya jo narua mbire antu babogeta East Bonde baigwa banganiri nuntu sibitari yetu ya Kanyakine kwambiria Nandi nitete ukarabwega
ni aria George Kinyua Nandi oritie tongeria baberu bareti sibitari ne ije kuithira bagicokeria sibitari uriri etwire nayo
mbuge anene bara nabo bararetoro Kanyakine sibitari mbere oju urawejete kurungamira sibitari na nirari gwitandi guru kiwango kieguru ye na muno in terms of muitere jwangugi nanto baga imani nayo nuntu Abogeta istika na Meru County barabara ya gutiritwara na baumete kinya county jirani ya Tharaka Nithi bareja batengiona ndawa batona services simbega nuntu clinical officers barare bakurungi kwa ngugi aritingwe barungi kwa baba ingi ngugi so mbere munene uraweje torungamira sibitari Kanyakine oju na thithie mubango ju muthongi okirie sibitari ire na kinya ntu barabengirwe batena makosa batena maitia batekinyete gita